Today I'll cover my top high-ticket money makers. These are my recommendations with pros and cons. If you're new to this channel, my name is Charles Draven. I operate a website called infospike.com and many others, and I've been online building businesses for over 10 years. So in this review of many products, I'll provide you with my insights to give you a better understanding, and hopefully you can make a great educated decision. The first product I want to cover is Master Affiliate Profits, and I'm going to cover 6 products in this special video. So Master Affiliate Profits, also called MAP, was created by Omar Martin, Melinda Martin, that's his wife, and John Thornhill. They offer a complete system for affiliate marketers. It provides a step-by-step training system to help users grow traffic, convert leads, and generate income. With lifetime commissions and built-in traffic for Platinum members, it stands out as a solid choice for long-term growth. Let's dive into it a bit. It comes with lifetime commissions. I want to explain this. A lot of people might think, oh, I'll make income for life. What it really means is that you can earn from repeat purchases. And the way that this works is that people can open up an account, a free membership. And when they open up that membership, when they create an account, whoever referred them gets their ID hard-coded to that person, that customer. And so if that person decides to upgrade and purchase, whether it's one or more products, then you can earn from purchases in the future, whether that's weeks, months, or even years later. Second tier commissions. This is offered to Platinum members together with built-in traffic. What does second tier mean? It means that if you have people that really like MAP and they decide to promote it after becoming your customer, your referred customer, then what happens is that you can earn a percentage from their sales. So that's what two-tier commissions is. You only earn from the people that you directly refer. And if they become customers, they could start promoting. Even people that go in as a free member can start promoting, and you could start earning two-tier sales as a Platinum member. Built-in traffic, what that means is that Platinum members and above, they get to get traffic in a whole pool of Platinum members. So the traffic rotation, it will go ahead and randomly pick out people from this pool, and you'll be able to get some traffic out of all the Platinum members that are getting traffic. You'll be able to get a fraction of that. And this is great. To me, it's a nice token to have because you start getting traffic and you don't have to spend money like people do when they pay for ads. You don't have to spend a whole bunch of time getting that traffic. It's given to you as a nice token for being a Platinum member. Cons. It requires an upfront investment if you want to go into Platinum. I will say that the good thing during phase 3, it now has the ability to join as a free member. You will not, of course, get all the perks as a Platinum member, but you still get a lot of good training and the ability to build your business even as a free member. So Platinum may not be for everyone, and the training material, it has so much to learn from. And I think as long as you follow the tips and advice of others, that you just take one step at a time. They provide the training in a very structured way, and it's up to you to decide how much time you want to put into the training. If you want to go into training module 3 and you want to jump into that, whether you want to go into organic or paid traffic, it's up to you. But the main thing is that you take action and learn over time and put that consistent effort in to grow your business. Next product here. Product number 2 is OLSP Team Builder. This right here is what I mostly promote. OLSP has many different products and services, but this is the key one that will make a difference in your income. And of course, if you go into the lower level, which costs like around $7, you'll be able to make money, but not as much as people that invest in Team Builder. You can earn up to $2,500 per sale and benefit from second tier commissions. It's done for you funnels and webinars, make it easier to strike it big without extra work. Out of all this, I'll say that you can make high ticket commissions, you get coaching and all that. But one of the big reasons why I got this was to get the white labeled version of Go High Level, GHL. This is a premium marketing stack that will allow you to build up your landing pages, your websites, your membership sites. You could even do social media automation. You could use it to build up your database of contacts, generate leads, and much more. It's a full marketing stack. And it is something that it is worth more, in my opinion. It is worth more than the investment of team builder, training, and much more. But you only have to pay a one-time fee. Some people might be given the option to pay monthly, but I bought it with a one-time fee and it was well worth it. So the cons, as I mentioned, the one-time cost, this is a premium system. So that price point, it might be challenging to some people. And to fully benefit from second tier commission, you have to actively build your team, your customer base. And some users may find the tools difficult to use at first, but the main thing is that you just put consistent effort. I think that's the message across the board for all these. You need to be able to just take the time and say, okay, each day I'll put X amount of hours or minutes into my business and just be consistent with that. Passion over profits. It's a system that has over 200 video trainings and master resale rights license. They also have an affiliate program now, and you could sell the system yourself and keep 100% of the profits while earning recurring revenue. That's if you decide to sell it as a master resale rights product. It's a great way to build wealth through multiple income streams. The program teaches you how to use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok to grow your business. Dual income opportunities let you sell the system and earn recurring profits. Mentorship ensures you have the guidance to boost your income over time. So I think this is pretty cool. It's hosted on the school platform, and they have so many trainings from some key leaders within this system. And they've pretty much, they do what they say during these webinars. They show you exactly what they're doing, and you could learn from them. Out of all the packages I'm going to talk about, if you are into new social media platforms, this one is my pick. Cons. It costs $1,000. It could seem a bit high, but you do have the option, especially if you purchase it through the link I'm going to provide, you're able to buy it through a split payment. So in most cases, like let's say 4 split payments, some people might be offered other split arrangements, but you can split your payments and divide it like up to 4 in the United States. It could be more than that. It just depends on what you see on your end, because it depends on if you qualify or not. And what I mean by that, it's through a system called Klarna, and there's also another one called Afterpay. And you'll need to dedicate 4 to 5 hours per week to see good results. Beginners might face a learning curve, but the training is designed to help you secure financial success with effort. Again, with effort, you need to be able to put your time and energy into it. Platinum Reseller License. To me, this is huge. It gives you the ability to resell 10 pre-built membership sites. These sites use a freemium model, letting you profit 100% from upgrades. It's perfect for those who want a turnkey money-making venture without creating products. And to me, this is awesome. I connected it to my Stripe account. And again, you can make 100% profits minus transaction fees. Pros, it's pre-built. All the content, site, hosting is done for you. Marketing materials, the emails, they're all done for you. It has built-in email automation to where they market for you after you generate leads. And you can keep all the profits from the upgrades while the provider handles the support. It's an easy way to generate passive income and focus on promotion. Upfront cost of $497 might feel high for some users. Active promotion is required to generate upgrades and profits. Beginners may need to learn how to effectively grow their savings through the system. And the thing is that they give you 10 awesome courses that teach you pretty much all the things you need to know on how to run the business. So I think that's a huge benefit. And the system also allows you to add your own affiliate banners if you want to promote third-party offers. So pretty cool system. Webinar Profit Engine, Launchpad. This system, it provides an automated evergreen set of webinar funnels and affiliate offers. It eliminates the need for live presentations while still delivering high conversion rates. This program is an excellent way to cash in without the stress of hosting webinars. So it's all automated. All you have to do is send traffic. And then one added benefit of this, if you are into building a long-term business, is that you're able to connect an Aweber account to it. If you're not familiar with Aweber, it's one of the most popular autoresponder systems, email marketing platforms. And so you connect Aweber to it, and they give you the follow-up sequences that you could easily import probably in like a few minutes, or I should say like less than 30 minutes. Less than 30 minutes, you have, I believe, 99 emails that get inserted into your Aweber account. And then all you have to do is send traffic, and they teach you how to send traffic. And then when people come into your email marketing ecosystem, then the system will promote via those emails. And it promotes a wide variety of products between low to high ticket. It's a smart way to reap the benefits of webinars without live hosting. And all those emails are customizable. If you want to change the tone, that's totally up to you. Cost $497 one-time cost. It might seem steep for some, but it covers all the tools you need. Also, it's high ticket. You know, a lot of high ticket programs, they do cost in the several hundreds typically. You'll need to focus on traffic generation as that's a key to success. With effort, this system can help you strike it big in affiliate marketing. Online success coaching. This focuses on personalized mentorship and strategies to grow your online business. It combines mindset coaching with real-time advice to help you stay consistent. The group calls and community support keeps you motivated to increase your earnings. This is all about building your own digital products and your own brand through your own digital products. This program provides tailored advice and strong focus on mindset, which helps build confidence. The live coaching and community ensures you stay accountable and encouraged. It's ideal for beginners and marketers looking to create a money-making venture. And I'll also add, compared to all the products that I offered, this is one of the best ways to generate buyer's lead, super converting leads. So just keep that in mind. A lot of people will think that they need to generate leads to sell products, but the right way, I should say an alternative way to actually do it, is you use products to generate leads. And it's an awesome way to do it, and you make money at the same time. Cons. The program requires significant effort and dedication to see results. Coaching is an ongoing process, so you'll need to commit to regular participation. However, the personalized support can help you secure financial success in the long run. And I'll also say that their coaching calls, their workshops, they're recorded, so you could watch them on demand as well. And I believe that they are giving you access to 12 months of coaching. So that was a lot, right? So if you want to learn a lot more, I'm going to provide you with a link to my blog post that has this and also my individual in-depth reviews of each of those products. So if you want to check that out, go ahead and check out the link in my description. And also, I do offer bonuses. These are high-ticket products. For the bulk of the high-ticket products I offer, I do offer bonuses, and they change from time to time, and they're subject to change. So what I'll do is that I'll do my best to include those bonuses within the content if possible. If not, feel free to ask me, and I'll be able to give you some special bonuses if I don't mention them on the site. But for now, thank you for watching. This is Charles Draven from InfoSpike. Again, check out the link in my YouTube description, and on my blog post, I'll provide you with the links in the article right near the video. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.